Let's take a tour of room 12503 in the Carnival Mardi Gras. It's an Excel aft corner suite. Let's take a look inside. As you enter, you have your walkway here. To your right, you have your living room area, which also doubles as your second bedroom. Before we walk over there, we have the bathroom area. The bathroom area is separated here by this door, so someone can use the restroom as well as go into a larger portion and shower if they need to. The shower has very large sink area, your mirrors on the side here in case you need to magnify and get a little closer detail. This door here leads into the main bedroom, but behind is this very spacious shower with the Elemis products, and then it has the full body jets here, as well as your cascading, I guess, rainfall type shower head. We'll walk back out this way and go through the living room. The living room has this couch and a lounger here, which will double as your double bed. Across from it, you have the flat screen TV. You have your mini fridge here and plenty of storage under both the TV and your little desk here. And then we have more storage, your first closet, I should say. A little dining table here, and then go to your balconies. I'm gonna go right back and enter into the main room. Main room has your king bed or twin bed setup, depending on how you decide to have it set up. This is the door that we saw on the other side that led to the bathroom. We have our closet here. Lights are automatic. Your safe is here as well. Area for your shoes pulls out here. You have two of those. And these nice baskets for more things. Plenty of storage here. As we walk around the bed, we see the TV right across from the bed, and then your big vanity mirror, and you're able to get nice and ready for those elegant nights. Then you have your full mirror, and then on both sides of the bed you have your accent lights, I guess your reading lights with USB charging, and more storage even there. So the balcony is accessible through the main room or the living room. Let's step out here. We have a wraparound balcony with plenty of space. We have your dining table, I guess, here. Got your day bed, two loungers. And then you come around the corner, see your love seat, rocking chair, and your private hot tub. It's like it's enough room for two adults. And that is your corner aft suite on the Carnival Mardi Gras, room 12503. Thanks for watching. See you next time.